Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Digest. In today's video, where we'll be taking an in-depth look at two of the most talked about tablets on the market, the iPad mini 6 and the Samsung Z Fold 4. I'm your host, Joe from Digital Digest, your favorite tech channel. I'm excited to bring you a full real-life review of these two devices to help you decide which one is the best fit for you. Before we hop in the details, do subscribe to our channel. Let's start by reviewing the iPad mini 6. First up, this compact and portable tablet has been designed for those who want a device that's easy to carry around and offers the same performance and capabilities as a larger tablet. With its 7.9-inch display, the iPad mini 6 is the perfect size for on-the-go use. The A14 Bionic chip provides lightning-fast performance, even when you're running multiple applications at the same time. And the 12MP camera captures excellent photos and videos, making it a great device for capturing memories on the go. One of the standout features of the iPad mini 6 is its beautiful and vibrant display. The device's liquid retina display provides an immersive viewing experience, whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games. And with the option for 5G connectivity, you'll be able to enjoy super fast internet speeds no matter where you are. Let's now jump to the Samsung Z Fold 4. The Samsung Z Fold 4 is a tablet like no other. With its foldable design, the Z Fold 4 offers a unique and immersive experience that's perfect for those who want a tablet that's both a laptop and a phone. With its large, flexible display, you can multitask like never before, with multiple apps open and running at the same time. And with 5G connectivity, you'll be able to enjoy super fast internet speeds on the go. After all the best thing to start with is the cameras. In terms of image quality, both devices perform well. However, the additional cameras on the Z Fold 4 provide more versatility, allowing you to capture wider shots and zoom in for closer shots. Another area where these two devices differ is in battery life. The iPad mini 6 has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery that provides up to 10 hours of surfing the web on Wi-Fi or watching video. When it comes to price, both devices are on the higher end of the spectrum. The iPad mini 6 starts at $599, while the Samsung Z Fold 4 starts at $1,999. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ProView Existence and to join the Digital Digest family, and see you in the next video.